So here's the thing. Skin disorders are a combination of an internal and an external factors, meaning something has triggered an immune response from environmental factors, but also something from the inside is off as to why the external threat is successful in the first place. In traditional medicine, there really isn't an approach to promoting healing modalities that heal the skin from the inside out. Whether you have acne, rosacea, eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, I can go on and on and on, or any one of the myriad skin conditions that's known. Most of them have their root cause, and it starts on the inside. And oftentimes it's the gut, it's the gut's microbiome. Um, that's the main cause of it all. The gut microbiome is the immune system. I just want to clarify that. I can't clarify that enough. Your gut's microbiome is your immune system. If you don't have stomach acids, as in HCl, hydrochloric acids, not just to help you to digest your food, but also to decrease the microbial count of bacteria that are in the higher upper part of the colon, and the pH of your stomach changes to a more alkaline state, then bacteria will grow there. They normally wouldn't grow there because their designated area is in the large intestines, with the ending phase of digestion, not the small intestines, but a backflow of bad bacteria from the large intestines or the colon into the small intestines is called SIBO, which is small intestinal bacteria overgrowth, or a gut dysbiosis. This isn't good at all because when you eat foods, you lose the nutrients of the foods to the bacteria's consumption. And that's pretty bad. And it results in malabsorption, leaving you malnutritioned. You'll get gas and have a feeling of like feeling intoxicated. Then when you wake up in the mornings, you can get all kinds of digestive issues from bloating, painful gases, excessive gas, because we do not produce gas, by the way. It's the bacteria that does, so bacteria literally passes gas. One way to tell if you have an overgrowth is if you're constantly belching flatulence, which is gas, and a feeling of being intoxicated when you wake up in the mornings. If you have chronic heartburn, diarrhea, or constipation, irritable bowel, Crohn's disease, brain fog, cluster headaches, joint aches, this technically causes something that's called leaky gut. As the bad bacteria bores its way microscopically, it bores holes through the mucosal intestinal lining of the gut. And just when you thought it couldn't get any worse, you are now dealing with undigested proteins, sugars, and carbohydrates escaping the stomach and traveling throughout the body, circulating in your blood, which is now a systemic issue. It's no longer just a skin issue. It's a systemic issue, causing inflammation from your reactive and always ready to fight immune system, including your mast cells that let off histamines. And then boom, all of this shows up on your skin. Treating the gut through addressing small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, or even SIFO, small intestinal fungal overgrowth, and eliminating food sensitivities, healing leaky gut, all makes a profound and powerful impact on reviving your health. Leaky gut is linked to so many chronic diseases. So this is deeper than skin, guys, way deeper than skin. H. pylori infections, which is another microbe, which can potentially advance to ulcers in the stomach. C. diff, E. coli that has gone rogue, because you have your good but bad E. coli's, Klebsiella, Citrobacter, and Salmonella, along with other bacterial, fungal, Candida albicans, and that's just to name one. Is there are many others in the fungal kingdom, and also viruses. They'll invade and cause illness because your army, the immune system, no longer has its base, which is a healthy mucosal lining, that's robust, and it's built with thriving good bacteria to keep the bad at bay. So, diabetes, obesity, cancer, heart disease, Alzheimer's, autoimmune disorders, allergies, neurological disorders, even depression. I mean, the list is truly endless. All of this is contiguous with leaky gut, and it's all contingent upon the health of your gut microbiome. Hippocrates allegedly declared that all disease begins in the gut. And guess what? It can end there too.